My name is Chidera. I am from Imo State. I don't want you to disturb Annie Doms. I want you to disturb me with this your challenge. I am challenging you with 2 million naira. Give me a date. I will send the money across and I will send somebody that will come and meet you. Bring the 10 people who will go to the hospital and check them and see the causes of their sore on their legs. Mind you, what they call that is enure in Igbo language, but in English language, it is known as leg ulcer. So we'll go to the hospital together and we'll check them. If 10 of them happen to be free from either diabetes, from either infection that might cause out of a wound in their legs, you will take my 2 million. If not, I will take yours. If you like, if you think you can stand on this challenge, please contact me on +44 74 595 83286. This is my direct number. Let's give it a chance. No need of disturbing Annie Dons because he might not reply you, but let's do it. Thank you.
After video, one of our sister Makamo, based on the challenge into Annie Don. Also on a hope that 2 million naira. 19 date. Cause there somebody got money against so got medicine. Ga lab. Mbofta madi 10 na nyenyu le ja lab. Okay, my sister. Ekwere mu challenge. Ma am menye condition. Obu na nye condition na. Obu na ikwe this condition anyelego. No problem. Me fix date. And the date me fix aga 2 weeks or 1 week le. Nye good date uzbo. But as that person be a Newi or a Bioba. Either Newi or Oba. Now, the 10 people got Boega, Motoge Buffy, the hospital, Brantakofa, Guaga Kugwaya, and Doga Kugwala Hagame. So, Obun equal this challenge. Let's move on because Obuloga Campolo, Onion Polavani done, my nature legal the case. Nature like Ibri and Nisi, no problem. MM accepted. If Lone Jolomus were 2 million willow challenge, million will may accepted, near condition now. Near brother Jerome condition, yeah. Now one at Jerome Jose and Oga be Hanabu Maka, everything I go. So more and one more every to go my own challenging the negobo. Those people that those 10 people, I got Chatamoto buffet. Go, I got Chatamoto buffet. Going and coming, walk the lab. That is what you need. So and those people are, even if you have that day now, you will buy them as even if you will buy them some things that we eat. Because found out a lot of you need to make them happy. Find something to buy for them that we eat. Yeah. So that is everything. All need to have people to provide all those things. Let's move on. Manachiti now 80% of them, those 10 people I got, but 80% of them, but now yeah. No hana lo costly ya iwin gom mana obuna na obulo ya de hana lo na ihe omelenzota ewin gomgo. So let's move on. I'm ready for your challenge. Let me go and accepted. I'm still your brother evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezaguba. Shalom.